Good morning. We slept really well because we really needed it after having hardly any sleep yesterday and being out all day. We're now going to go and get some breakfast, take another wee walk around, and then it'll be time to go to our next destination, which is
dun dun dun,
Budapest!
Yay! Miles from Budapest.
So this is a room that we came in, a quick room tour. It's a bit of a mess because we are just leaving. So
The bed.
the bed.
We've got a little desk and some hanging spaces here. And this is the view
Pretty
from our window.
pretty basic.
It's a view.
Just a quick view. It's a nice day again. And quickly through to the bathroom, shower room.
I love the green tiles.
There we go.
I love them.
The green and black tiles on the floor. Right, so let's go. So we've come down to a wee cafe called 5 Points Bratislava and we're coming for breakfast. Adam's ordered hot chocolate and I'm going for this selfieccino, which is like cappuccino but with your picture on it. So Adam just had to follow the instructions and hopefully they'll bring over my cappuccino with a picture on it. This is the picture that we've taken to put on it. So hopefully it works. I'll let you see it when it comes. So it's arrived, everybody, and it's pretty cool. Let me show you. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, it needs to focus. So this is what I was going for. And let me find the picture again. See? How cool is that? Your selfie on a cappuccino. I just hope it tastes as good as it looks.
It's got me on it, that'll taste lovely. This is my breakfast, scrambled egg and salmon. And this is Michelle's. How was your breakfast?
My breakfast is good.
How was your coffee?
It filled me up nicely. My coffee was amazing to look at, but I have to admit that I don't actually like coffee. So I just got a cappuccino because we got our picture on it.
And this is what's left of it.
So I did drink it all, but I had some more to help. It wasn't too bad, but I definitely will be having. I'm not going to start drinking coffee now. I still know for a fact I don't like coffee. I came to that conclusion today as well. But yeah, all good.
Oh, good. And what are we going to do now?
We're going to go and buy a souvenir. Bratislava to go to Budapest in Hungary. The journey takes about 2.5 hours and it costs €650 each.
Which is pretty good, I think.
Yeah. So Anne did say we were away to get some souvenirs and we got a couple.
What did we get?
We got this.
What's that?
It's called Borovica. I'm sure, again, pronouncing it wrong. But
it's an alcohol
from
Slovakia.
Yeah, and it contains 40% of alcohol.
Wow.
And it tastes of juniper berry. It tastes a bit like dry gin. So
be interesting to try.
Yeah, it will be, because we never tried it while we were here, so we thought we'd buy some and try it later.
Yeah, on the bus.
We also got, not on the bus, maybe on the bus, depending how my toothache goes.
Oh, Michelle's had really bad toothache from talking too much.
Just dropped my phone.
Yeah, so it's been nice and peaceful. but she's got a dentist appointment when we get back, so she just needs to stay
sane.
Yeah.
Till then. We also got a wee man at work. How cute is he?
So you saw us there yesterday. Here's the statue, one of the statues in the centre of Bratislava.
We've got about another 20 minutes before we set off.
And on the bus we get free coffee.
We don't like coffee, but yay! We're getting on the bus!
The bus to Budapest! 7 miles an hour. Just checked in at the hotel, got the key, let's go and travel.
Oh. So this is a room. Oh, look at that wee seating area, how cute. Big long desk, TV, mirror, somewhere to hang your stuff,
Best view with this tram.
and the bathroom. Not bad. Let's go check out the view now.
Let's check out the view.
First time seeing it as well. Okay. Not bad. We've got to get some dinner and get on a boat. We're going on a boat trip. Choo choo. So we better go and get ready.
Michelle wants to go for pizza tonight.
No, he does.
I want to go for pizza tonight. So I found a nice little pizza place. But it's just a really nice evening tonight. The sun is setting, as you can barely see. We've ordered pizza from this little pizzeria on the corner. It's just in the middle of this like housing estate really, just a few minutes from the main road. But we've ordered a ham pizza. Yeah, that's basically it. That's it really, nothing fancy. But we're outside on the street corner eating pizza. So we're going on a 1 hour sightseeing cruise on this boat. We're now on the evening cruise, a 1 hour sightseeing along the river around Budapest. We've got a welcome drink, which is some hot mulled wine, so it smells really good.
It's just nice to be warm.
And yeah, it's really windy outside, so we're glad to be inside. Maybe later we'll go up to the top and have a good view. This cruise costs €9 each, which is pretty good. It's about 30 minutes away from our hotel. Cheers!
Cheers! But the views are really nice actually. It's lovely all lit up. We were wondering whether we should have done it during the day, but as we're walking around during the day we'll see everything anyway, so it's really cool to be able to just see everything all at once at night time. Woo! So I think we're going to probably head back down shortly and get out of this cold wind.
Yeah.
And get nice and cozy. Woo-hoo! so cool. Quirky bar, cocktail making. So I don't know if you can hear me right, because it's quite busy in here, but we are in a ruined bar called selfieccino. So it's really quirky in here. It was an old factory that they converted into a bar. They also say like they have like an open air cinema and they serve food and everything as well. But I'm not too sure, as far as I know, it's just a bar with lots of different rooms. There's like a wine bar, a cocktail bar, a straw-free bar that we've just been at. But there's so many stairs up to different levels, there's so many lights and quirky stickers and pictures and stuff on the wall. It's pretty cool, there's loads of graffiti. So it's pretty cool, and I'm glad we've gone to it. It's one of the oldest ruined bars in Budapest. So the ruined bars is where they've just turned something, e.g. a factory, into a bar.
I just want to add there's loads of people here. It's a really good atmosphere. There's some music playing in a different bar. They got like a music bar, and it's really cool. I recommend coming here. 5 out of 5, thumbs up.
Now that we're in Budapest, we have to try some Hungarian traditional. And here we have langos.
Well, let me show them what it looks like. That's just that. What is it, Michelle?
It's like a dough, a fried dough, topped with like cheese and sour cream, sometimes garlic and stuff. I'm told it tastes really good.
And we've also got some cheeky fries to go with it. So let's try it. Oh, just eat it like that, do you?
That's how I'm going to eat it, because there's some nice over there, but nothing else, I don't think.
How does it taste?
I want to get a bit of cheese in it. It's definitely fried, but it does taste good.
Oh, I need to try some of this. Put it in my belly. Oh, it's nice.
We're going to have this, get a taxi back to the hotel and get some sleep before our long day of sightseeing. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye.
Good night.